You want to stand over here where I am and I can stand over where you are?
I can see it pretty good. So this is what we're finding on the spectrum analyzer.
This is fixed frequency 904 megs. Time display. Time is 2 milliseconds per division. If you look on the right side over there, near the input connector, just to the left and the upper left, 10 o'clock with respect to the input connector. Right here. That's the time. Whoop, not looking in the right place. There you are. That's time per division. So the pulse is at least, the way we're looking at it, at least 10, 20, 35 or so dB out of the noise. Frequency are you on now?
911, 912, 913, nice big peak there. 915, 17, 18, 919, 920, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 902, there's 902, 901, 900, let's go. 902, 903,
Okay, stop.
904.
Go to 902. What's the level?
Okay, 902 directly, 902.00.
902 100.
100.
And the S meter reading is?
Varying about an S1. Peak it, see if we can peak it. Not much of a peak. About an S1.5.
Alright, now
908.
No, 903.
903. 903 creeps up. There's 903 with an S4.
Okay. So, boy, you really want to be on 902 rather than 903 one.
Yeah. 908. That's 908 250, I think. 908 250 S5.
Well, it's almost no importance. It's just so freaking loud.
Yeah. And we're looking that way, Brian.